Kaken huan ki Kynthei na terso mentakasngi kelalet banyak kendu ya Deputy Commissioner Karibhoy bandawa ya kahok banyo ya ki ration card kumbalamang lingba ka an National Food Security Act arajal khatlai Palat chispa Ngut ki Kynthei kila Ïalum lang ha Ophis Jong UDC ha kaba kila pan ching penchai halor ka ching bom yo changki ya ki ration card nadu usnam arajal khatwei haba ai jing grand nakaliang kani ka kenhun ikong yo ilut lingdo ila ong ba ka jing wan changki kalong banyak kendu ya UDC bandawa ya ki chubab u Abilash Baranwal ula kubur ya kani kajing ngau kuslai jangki ula pentik naru hakmat kani kekenhun ba unsa khmi halor gijing e jangki bat unsa persyangru ban pensngau ye gijing e jangki syaki bor badai khmi
kena kaliang jumi ka ka banguan banyak penduduk edisi kan kasi kalong ba bangin wan ban komplain ni kita ki bayo ki karson dari wan bandawa ya ka hok long beriu jumi kun kinong sung ki ba syong hapo jong karin dia hi barbawe kun ki nong sung jong kari ki don hok banyo ya ka karson.
One lady, Srimati Lindo, she had raised one complaint in CM Connect wherein she wherein she complained that she had applied for ration card but she has not received it. So our office has conveyed this information to her that first of all we do not have fresh ration cards to allot. As and when a new census is done and new sanction is obtained from central government and we are in a position to allocate more number of ration cards, we'll take care of her and this has been conveyed to her in writing as well.